everybody, and welcome to my last lecture. On page 79, the cultivation of carrots. In the Northern Kingdom, they have a saying, "In my dreams the carrots grow as big as bumblebears." We have neither dreams nor bumblebears in our beloved Galliflower, so this saying is hard for us to understand. But we do have carrots. That is something every rabbit can understand. Page 81, Trade Secrets. The prophecies had everyone running scared. The Sibyl, the Mayan calendar, Nostradamus, all foretold the end of the world, the end of time. All agreed on an exact date, December 21st, 2012. Then there were the probabilities, the I Ching, the blackjack theory. Even the Hopi Indians got into the act. They foretold that one day the world would be covered by a web of spiders. When the WebBot project fulfilled that prophecy, it did something even more frightening. It reinforced the 2012 prophecy using probability theory. Page 85, the bounty hunter, or high stakes. Nick Stakes, the fearless vampire hunter, stepped aboard the train in Union Station and took his seat in the last car. The Sundowner, the next Amtrak train from Los Angeles to San Diego, was due to leave in 5 minutes at 6:45. Baron Overbite, his quarry, was riding in one of the front cars. Maybe tonight Nick Stakes would be lucky.